Alright guys, so welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Today I'm going to fire up the old manual sawmill. Haven't did a video on it in a while. I got quite a bit of oak logs, but I want to make some 2-inch thick, shorter pieces for like benches or tables, and then we'll see, maybe some longer pieces of construction wood, like 2x4s, and I need some more 4x4s. So stick around, it's gonna be a fun day, and appreciate you guys being here. Thanks. So just one more thing, these logs that we're cutting today are the same logs that me and my dad went and got in the rain the other day, maybe a couple weeks ago. So I'll put that video up on the left or right, or down on the left or right. I'll put it somewhere at the end here, all right? Something about just opening these up I really like. Just getting a little bark off. Got a little bit of stuff right there. We'll see. Alright, so getting ready to take the second cut off, but I want to show you guys something. I like to, once I cut that one off, I like to get it nice and square on these. Can't, you know, no light, nice 90-degree angle. That way you can make sure your next cut is good to go. Looks like red oak, actually. Give me some nice 2-inch thick pieces for benches or tabletops or whatever, but they're gonna be nice. All right guys, so what I do is when I get down to where I need definite cuts, I mean this is a manual sawmill, so what I'll do is I'll put the blade down on the cant just like that there, so it's nice and flat, and then I have a scale right here, and I'll put the red line or the blue line, whatever I hits first. I'll put that on, I'll loosen this up, and I'll put that on the 8/4 right there. So red 8/4 right there. Boom. tighten her up, red ornate, and then wind her down. Whoops, gotta get her off the log. Wind her down to the red line hits the 8. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, even 8. So now that'll be boom, 2-inch cut. We'll take a 1/4 inch probably off each side on the planer. Got 2 more to cut. The wood's looking good. And by the way, these are the blades that I sharpen with my Woodland Mills sharpener. I have a short video on that on my channel if you guys want to check it out. But she's sharper than when I used to send them out. So that's awesome. Guy. Go my dad's kindling pile. Maybe. Nice board. And that's it. Short work. A short log. Alright, so once everything's cut and laid out, I do write the date, which is April 30th, 25, and then what kind of wood it is. Alright, on every board. That helps them keep track of everything. Alright guys, that about does it for that log, and about does it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching, and appreciate you guys being here. So if you enjoy this kind of stuff, give me a like and a follow. Appreciate that. And yeah, we got 4 nice 2-inch bench tops out of it. Now once we'll plane them down, make them nice, I mean, not that they are not already nice, but plane them down, make them look even better. And yeah, so bigger logs, just a bigger scale. I'm gonna do some 4x4s out of some of the big logs that are over there. So once again, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here. See you on the next one.